As Ali mentioned, prosecutors say Adams let Turkish officials buy his influence.
Yeah, just to review here, one part of that indictment centers around this building, the Turkish consulate in Manhattan. Adams allegedly pressuring the FDNY to open that building despite safety concerns. Dick Brennan joins us now live from City Hall with more on that part of the story. Dick?
Well, Christina Maurice, here it is, that 57-page indictment we've all been talking about, filled with allegations of corruption against the mayor of the city of New York. But the big question is, does this add up to a conviction? The U.S. attorney says Eric Adams was being showered with gifts, some $100,000 in travel benefits from officials in Turkey, and in exchange, even pressured to get a consulate open before it was ready.
He intervened in the New York City Fire Department's inspection process for a building owned and operated by the Turkish government, allowing it to open even though it had not passed the fire inspection.
The 35-story consulate stands across the street from the United Nations headquarters.
It's common that the fire department is actually, in some cases, the last agency to do final inspections of the building before it opens. And of course, all the pressure of opening falls on the fire department.
Fire protection engineer Glenn Corbett says some buildings can open with outstanding issues, but only if they're not major ones.
At the end of the day, the fire department has that responsibility of making sure that if they do allow the building to open with, for example, a temporary C of O, that there's a fundamental, acceptable level of fire protection in the building.
Adams now has to defend himself against charges of bribery and soliciting illegal campaign contributions.
He allegedly took steps to conceal those illegal contributions and personal benefits and involved city employees and campaign staff in that concealment.
Are these cases hard to prove?
These cases are extremely hard to prove.
Defense attorney David Schwartz says recent U.S. Supreme Court rulings have made public corruption cases more difficult to prove for prosecutors.
We certainly have upgrades on flights. We have hotel rooms, which may challenge certain ethical obligations, but does that cross into the criminal arena? Eric Adams didn't take gold bricks. He didn't take jewelry. He didn't have cash in his freezer. This is a campaign that was benefiting.
Now, the mayor says he's going to leave his legal case up to his lawyers to run. In the meantime, he says he will continue to run the city of New York. We're live at City Hall. Dick Brennan, CBS News, New York.
Dick, thank you. Now,